Loaded out, 2012 Lexus LS460 all-wheel drive. Rides like a dream. Beautiful pearl white paint. Aluminum alloy wheels with Michelin tires. Solar windows. Retractable rear shade. Dual chrome tip exhaust. Power trunk as well. Beautiful light tan leather interior. Wood grain trim throughout. Power windows, locks and mirrors. Memory driver's seat. Premium sound system. Heated and cooled front seats. CD player. Free 90-day trial, Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. Navigation. Hands-free Bluetooth. Auto headlights and fog lights. Just over 214,000 miles. And I even got a sunroof. Come on, see it, say you close.